Paris and the surrounding Île-de-France region have one of the densest and most comprehensive public transport networks in the world, primarily operated by RATP and SNCF for suburban trains. Here is an overview of the system and ticketing options. Transportation modes. The system is highly integrated and includes Metro, the iconic subway system with 16 lines and 2 bus lines. It's the fastest and most efficient way to get around central Paris, intramuros. It operates from approximately 5:30 a.m. until around 1:30 a.m., later on weekends. RER, Réseau Express Régional. A network of express regional trains, lines A, B, C, D, E, that serves the suburbs and links major hubs in the city center. This is often necessary for trips to destinations like the airports, CDG Orly, Versailles, and Disneyland Paris. Tramway, tram. Modern tram lines primarily circle the perimeter of Paris and serve the suburbs. Bus. An extensive bus network that is often a better way to see the city as you travel, and is great for shorter trips. Noctilien, night bus. A night bus service that runs after the Metro and RER close. Tickets and passes. Paris has largely phased out paper tickets in favor of digital and card-based options. The fare system is managed by Île-de-France Mobilités, IDFM. Single tickets, Metro train RER and bus tram. Metro train RER ticket, $2.50. Valid for travel on the Metro, RER, within the city, Zone 1, suburban train, and express tram lines for up to 2 hours, as long as you stay within the network. Bus tram ticket, $2. Valid for bus, tram, and Noctilien, night bus. Transfers are allowed between bus or bus tram within 90 minutes. Digital and contactless options recommended. IDF Mobilités Bonjour RATP apps. You can download the official apps like IDF Mobilités or Bonjour RATP to purchase and load tickets passes directly onto your smartphone or smartwatch. You then just tap your phone to the turnstile. This is generally the most convenient method. Navigo Easy Pass, €2. A contactless, non-nominative, not tied to a name, plastic card that you can buy at a station office. You can load it with single tickets, Metro train RER or bus tram, a day pass, or a Paris Versailles pass. It is simple to use and reloadable at machines or via the apps. Unlimited passes. Navigo Day Pass, €12 all zones. Unlimited travel for 1 day across all zones, 1/5, excluding direct access to airports like RER B to CDG or Orly Val. Navigo Week Pass, €31.60 all zones. Offers unlimited travel from Monday to Sunday, must be purchased before Thursday for the current week. This requires a personal card, like a Navigo Découverte for tourists, and can be loaded onto your phone. Paris Versailles Pass. A tourist pass valid for 1, 2, 3, or 5 consecutive days, including travel to airports. Prices vary by duration and the zones chosen. Tips for tourists. Walking is key. Central Paris is highly walkable, so you may use public transport less than you think. Consider walking for shorter distances and taking the bus for sightseeing. Use an app. The IDF Mobilits or Bonjour RATP apps are invaluable for real-time traffic updates, journey planning, and ticket purchasing. Rush hour. Avoid the Metro and RER during peak rush hours, approx. 8:10 am and 5:07 pm, as they can be extremely crowded. Keep your ticket. Always keep your ticket or smartphone pass until you exit the station, as there are frequent ticket controls, especially on the RER. I hope you enjoy all of my journey by buses, trams and boats in Paris, France.
Goed halen. Nee, moeder, dat is koud mooi. Wow. Dus dat is goed kunnen halen.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.